Hey guys, Miss B. Hanley here, and today we're here to talk about punctuation. This time we're going to be talking about semicolons, colons, and ellipsis. These three types of punctuation suggest pauses in a sentence. Semicolons are the symbol where you see a dot above a comma. Semicolons are used to join two independent clauses that are not already joined by a conjunction. You'll remember that your conjunctions are for, nor, yet, and, but, so, either or, whether or both and. You may also use a semicolon to separate items in a series when one of the items already contains a comma. The next type of punctuation is called a colon. A colon directs the reader's attention to the text that follows it. You want to use a colon to introduce a list, a quotation, or an example. The last type of punctuation is ellipsis. An ellipsis is actually 3 periods spaced out. An ellipsis is used to represent a gap or a pause within a sentence. Ellipsis points may also show that text has been omitted from a sentence. And those are the 3 punctuation points: semicolons, colons, and ellipsis. I hope this helped you understand a little bit more about punctuation and how we use it in our sentences. I hope you were taking notes, and if you want to see more videos from me, make sure to subscribe. If you have questions, leave them down in the comments and I will try to answer them. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in class. Bye!